Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and immediately clicking File. This puts the program-level controls in view. Once done, look for Account on the left. That's the fastest path to version info. If you don't see Account, choose Help. Older builds show details there. Make sure to use a fully loaded Windows or Mac session. Restricted kiosk modes can hide menus. You're starting practical checks now, not hunting through settings. So proceed to the Account or Help pane for concrete version data. Next, you inspect the product information area to read the version and build. That tells you whether you have a feature update or security patch. Click About Excel to reveal the full build number and whether your install is 32-bit or 64-bit, because that affects add-ins and memory. If you signed into Office 365, confirm whether your copy is subscription-based versus perpetual. This explains update cadence. Once you note those lines, record version and build for troubleshooting or compliance. Finally, perform cross-checks. Run WinVer for Windows build parity and review Office update history to confirm recent patches. If Excel hides version info, open the registry or run PowerShell commands to query installed Office product in GUID. That gives authoritative data. After any change, restart Excel and test a feature tied to the suspected version to confirm behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if the account pane is blank, sign out then sign back in. That often restores license and version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.